Hello guys, I want to show you how to install the ring floodlight cam wire plus. So if you have an existing floodlight in your garden with this kind of mounting board on the vinyl siding, then you can just remove the light. So I removed the existing light which was here. This is the existing light and it has the bulb like this. So I removed those screws and the plug wirings, and I mounted the floodlight at the same location. So it's nice, it has a light, two lights on two sides, and as well as it has a motion activated sensor, so the light will turn on when the camera detects some person around. And also you can turn on and off the light using your mobile app. So this is very nice, and you can also talk. It's a two-way talking system, and it has nice LED lights on the camera. And this is the siren light. It will turn on right if you turn light. It will turn red when you activate the siren. So this is cool, and it was not very difficult to install. Just you have to remove your light, and inside there's a metal clamp, and then put the metal clamp that comes with this ring camera. There are just two screws. Maybe it's very simple. Okay.